Hello to everybody, this is Dr. Maryam from Mohammed Bani Hashem Advocates and Legal Consultants, and in this live stream, in this video, I would like to concentrate on important points related to real estate property, purchasing of the property, signing of real estate property, and of course to discuss what are the difference between the Emirates for the purchaser, what are his rights and what he has to concentrate on. First of all, I want to notice that for the last years, a lot of changes have been implemented into the questions related to real estate property, and a lot of details right now enable or make it possible for the parties to secure their rights. First of all, of course, there are a lot of differences if you are purchasing a property in the Dubai, in the Emirate of Dubai, or you are purchasing a property in another Emirate. However, general terms for the agreement and also the rights that are governed under the civil law, they are related to all the properties in all the Emirates wherever you are. However, it's a very popular story when the purchaser is coming from a foreign country. He's not aware about any rights, about any laws, about any rules, and he is just in trust in some real estate company that is trying to sell him some property. He doesn't know the language, maybe he doesn't understand what language has to be present inside of the contract and even how this contract looks like. So typical story is when you are receiving an offer and as it calls like irrevocable reservation form, and this is the only paper that you actually sign. You don't see a lot of terms except just the name of the developer and the name of the project and the address and also the price. So when you are breaching these terms, for example, again, a very popular story when the contract is not completed because the property was actually not constructed. So if to make it easier for you all to understand, first of all, if we are talking about Dubai, right now it's very easy to check your property. Right now it's very easy to sign a true contract because there is a certain form and you can't make any changes except some details that you can verify about the way of payment, if you are purchasing and buying for full price or you are going to go for installment plan. So always check about the form. It should be issued from land department. It should be approved. For example, if you are involved in trustee office, you can easily check it. And also you can request any language. For example, Arabic will be the official language of the country, and you are not speaking any other language than your home country language. Okay, you can ask to edit, but always this text has to be comparable with Arabic version. If any breach of the contract by the purchaser or a seller, this case will go to the local court, 99%, and there the Arabic version will be the only one that will be taken in consideration. If any differences, the Arabic version is more powerful. However, not all the disputes are going to the courts. Some of them they are going for the arbitration. We already discussed arbitration in our other videos. But I want to give more examples about the people who are signing a contract not only in Dubai. Because right now you see a lot of offers. You can purchase a property in any emirate, and there are a lot of advertisement that it's very easy to do it, it's very convenient, you have a lot of nice options to do it. So whenever you are going for purchasing a property in the different emirate than Dubai, because Dubai has a certain scope of laws related only to the real estate, and it's valuable only in the Emirate of Dubai. It's not valuable in the other Emirates. So if you are buying purchase or you're purchasing a property in the other Emirate than Dubai, always concentrate on terms and conditions of the contract. Always request for full contract, where you will see all the rights and all the terms, where you will see what will be the completion date, where you will see what will be the terms and your option to breach the contract, to terminate the contract. What will be your installment plan. Don't agree on the options where you will have a lot of fines or you will have a huge responsibility for breaking of the plan. But to be honest with you, unfortunately, not every developer will go for changes of the regular terms of the contract or irrevocable form. So you have to be wise, you have to be careful before you are actually going to sign anything. And also another key point from the practice, if you did not sign a contract but you sign only a reservation form, it will be also valuable, but you will have to prove that it's the only document you sign and this will be your terms. So everything what is agreed in the reservation form, it means that you already accepted an offer to buy this property and you have to follow the plan. So if you are not following the plan, if you are not following installment payments, you are breaking the contract. So it's not in your favor. Always send a notice. Always consult how you can save your rights and how you can go out from this contract. Otherwise, if you will not prove it, even if the purchaser will not actually construct a property, you will be obliged to make a full payment. So this is not in your favor. That's why before actually signing off any SPA, any real estate contract, it's better to get an advice, it's better to check this contract, it's better to analyze, go ahead to the land department of any emirate and to check what is this project, what is this developer. You can do it. Unfortunately, a lot of people, they are not knowing about these rights and they sign a project without of any awareness or without of any prejudice about future options in this contract. So if you want to go out from the contract, if you don't want to continue paying, you have to be very careful, and 90% that you will have to go through the case where you will ask to terminate this contract through the court or an arbitration if your contract is governed by the jurisdiction of the arbitration. This is a very wide topic, and I'm sure that it should be covered by more videos or some more details. If any one of you want to ask a question regarding real estate property, regarding purchasing of the property, or somebody unfortunately has an active dispute in the UAE related to purchasing of the property, please share your question, ask your explain your situation, and it will be a very great pleasure to help you to solve your issue. Be careful, stay on the safe side of the law. Thank you so much for your attention. It was Dr. Maryam from Mohammed Bani Hashem Advocates and Legal Consultants. Today we discuss a topic related to purchasing of the real estate property and contracts, SPA and reservation form. Thank you so much for your attention, and goodbye.